Hello, I am Nidhi Kudalkar. Most of us have frequent belching and gas problem because when digesting food our body produces gas. When we eat more than we can digest, more gas is produced, especially when we eat rice, poli, corn, sugar, etc. So what to do to avoid this problem? First, never eat full food. Chapatis and rice become black by more cooking them, and that is it become coal, and coal destroys gas. So eat some black rice and black chapatis with your meal, and please tell this to everyone. Share all. Thank you. Jai Hind.